Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to YouTube Shorts. So it is very easy, just be with me. First of all, open a browser and go to YouTube, and it will take you to the official YouTube homepage. Depending on the internet connection, it will take some time. And here you will find your profile picture. As is my profile, so it's showing my picture. Click on that and go to YouTube Studio. Okay, after taking some time, depending on the internet connection, it will take some time, and go to the left hand side and go to click on content, and here you will find video shorts live you have posted earlier. You'll find shorts, click on shorts, and this is the short that I have uploaded previously few days ago. I want to add music to this short, so click on this pen icon, which is details, and go to left hand side and click on editor, and you will find get started. You'll find audio option here. Click on audio, and it will take you to the audio library of YouTube, and you can add audio elements to your YouTube shorts. So here you'll find so many music here. So if you want to add this music, just click on add. You can easily position it according to your desire. Okay, you can position it, or you can crop it and edit as well. You can remove it and add another music as well. So this is that much easy to add music to YouTube shorts. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Do let us know what kind of YouTube videos you like from us, and don't forget to save the changes you've made. Thank you.